A very unique Harley-Davidson. This motorcycle came in from Japan in the back of a trailer during the tsunami. Traveled 4,000 miles starting March 11, 2011 and ended up in British Columbia, Canada back in August of 2012. It traveled in this trailer, arrived in British Columbia, and what you're looking at is the actual motorcycle untouched after taking it out of the trailer. The lock and brake on the wheel is still there. All the corrosion, the salt, the rust, everything you see from the travels over that duration of 4,000 miles is exactly as it came in with no changes. What a sight.